everyone, this is Relm from my goodies store again, and this video is about how I could go about conducting research on an item that I want to resell. So there are several ways that I go about doing this, but the main method that I use is the eBay app. This is my personal phone that I have on the screen, and this is the eBay app. I always go to the eBay app to look up an item to see if it's worth buying to resell. So you would download the eBay app if you don't have it, and then you would open it. I was doing something, so you'd go here in the search bar and you would open it up. There are some things that I was already looking up, so let's go to this Lego item. You just type in whatever you're looking for, but since I already started doing this, we'll go to this one. You type whatever you're looking for, then you go to filter. You'll click on filter and you scroll. It has different options where you can look for. This is good for people that are buying and reselling too, but since we're reselling, since I'm showing you how to resell, you go to item condition, and it has the item condition for new. I guess they only sell them in new. And then you'll click new, and then you press this arrow to go back, and you click where it says completed and sold. You click both of them, because if you only click completed, it will just show you items that ended, but they didn't necessarily sell. So you'll click both of them, and then you'll click done up here, and it should bring up the results, and it has a good selling range depending on how much you buy it for. So you should look to make $50 and up, except for this one that's sold for $38, but it says it's a damaged box. But it has a very good selling range, and plus it has this trending note here. That means it's very popular. That's one way. That's one of the main ways I always go to. And where you see it has the camera right here, you can use this to do an image search. Like, for example, if you find an item and you're not sure what it is, so you don't even know the name of it to do the research, you can take a picture of the item and do an image search on eBay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. But in many instances, it has helped me to find out exactly what the item is, and I'm able to sell that item successfully. So that's another way that you can use. And another method is the Poshmark app, and I found about this from a YouTuber called Poshmina. I didn't know about this, but on watching her videos, she had spoke about this. So you open the Poshmark app right here, and I was already looking for something, and you would go to shop. You really can't see it because of this thing that's in the way, but where it says shop, you would click on shop, and it should bring up these options. But you would go to showrooms, and you would have to check this every day, because every day they have different things that they put on this part in the app. And today it looks like it's designer items. We'll just click on one of them, and these are the items that are selling very well, that are popular on the Poshmark app. But as I say, you'd have to check it every day, because they have different things that they put up. So that's a second way that you can do your research on looking up a particular item. And another method is what you open the eBay, you go to ebay.com, and if you have Seller Hub, this is another very great way to help you out, especially if you've already been selling. You should by now have access to Seller Hub. And then you would go to sourcing guidance. You would open this, click on this, and it gives you all the categories, and if you click on any category, it will tell you exactly the items, sometimes the brand, style, that are selling right now on eBay. So let's click on clothing, shoes, and accessories, and we're gonna pick men's clothing, and let's do coats and jackets right now. And it shows you seasonality. When you see this bar goes up, that means it's in very high demand, and they sell under $20, but they sell best, as you can see, with 61% range, $20 to $100. And these are the brands that are popular. You have Patagonia, North Face, Mountain Hardwear. These are the brands right now, and they're all in green. That means they sell very well. And then if you want to go into more research, these are the styles that are selling. Fleece jacket, puffer jackets. These right now are selling. As you can see, all of them are in green. And this is for use. You can look up for new. You can look up for new use. But new coats and jackets, super dry, sells very well. But for used, you have all of these options. And then they're selling very well, November to December. Let's do another one. Let's do clothing, shoes, and accessories again, and we're going to do women's clothing, and let's do jeans. Look up jeans, and they're in high demand March and April, and then they go down during the summer, and then they come back up October to November. And the brands that are popular right now, Hudson and Rock Revival, those sell very well. And they sell very well under $20. And with the sourcing, you can also type in a particular item or brand, and it will give you the results also. So these are the different methods. These are the different methods that I use to look up an item to see if it's worth reselling. I've seen people that sell at flea markets, or they have yard sales. When they go to the thrift store, they also use the eBay app to look up an item to see if it's worth buying. So anybody can use it. As long as you know how to use it, anybody can use it. And it'll help you be more successful, because you're taking the time out to do your research. So that will hinder you from having things that are not selling. So when you sit down and you do your research, you have more items that are selling, so you'll be more successful. It won't discourage you. Doesn't mean that you're going to sell everything in your store, but you will be selling the majority of your items because you have taken the time out to do your research. The more research you do, the more successful you would be selling online or buying things too. If you're buying, the more research you do, you'll save more money. So thank you for watching. If you want me to do more videos like this, drop it down in the comment. If you would like to know more things, just put down in the comments exactly what you want me to make a video about, and I'll be very happy to do that for you.